Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on how to use AI chatbots to produce some beautiful data products in R. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add some extra tasks to the prompts that I have shared with you. As an example, we are going to do some weighted analysis. Just to give you some idea about what I'm talking about, so far in this course, everything that we have produced, those were unweighted. However, because real-world surveys often use a complex design rather than using an ideal random sample design, they provide you weights which potentially takes you closer to the population parameter that you are trying to estimate. For example, in this data set that we are working with, the name of the weight variable is this final WT. In this video, we're going to learn how to use this weight into our analysis. For this example, I'm just going to use this simple line chart. So I can just copy this prompt and paste it into my Gemini, and then I'll have to fill in these blanks like we have done so far in this course. The first thing we do is put the name of the data frame, and then we need to pick an X variable. Let's pick age cat, which means age. And if we go to the age cat variable to see how this has been coded, so 1 equals 18 to 24. I'm just going to copy this and put that here. So 1, I just need to put an equal here, and then I have 2. Again, I'm just going to copy this and put an equal here. This is going to be tedious. Then I need to pick an Y variable, and I'm just going to pick FWB score, which means financial well-being score. This coded as part, I don't really need this because this is a numeric variable. Next, I have this filter out observations where these variables are negative, because again, negative value in this dataset means missing responses, and we just want to get rid of all the missing responses. So this is the prompt that we have used so far to produce unweighted data products. But now we want to use the survey weights, and that's why I'm just going to add one extra line at the end, that is use survey weight, which is, then I'm just going to copy the name of the weight variable, which is final WT, and I'm just going to put that here, and then I'm going to click submit, and then I need to wait for the code. I hope it works just fine. I can copy the code from here, and I'm just going to put that into my Gemini. Next, I'm going to select all this and click run, and this is the graph that it has produced. So this has used the weights, and this is the weighted line chart. Of course, I can make some changes. For example, here I don't need to put weighted. I can just have average financial well-being score. So if I make that change and rerun my code, let's see how it looks like. So let's look at this one more time. As you can see, the weighted part from the y-axis level, I have just removed that part, and this is how you can use weighted analysis using the same prompts, just by adding one sentence at the end, just letting your AI tool know the name of the weight variable in your dataset, and it should work just fine.